Okay, before I start my first meal, I want to show how to crack an egg. First, you will get your eggs. Make sure you have the right amount of eggs you want. And now you will crack it 2 times. 1, 2. Do not crack it too hard or else it will come. If it's not that cracked, crack it 1 more time. Now you see it's fully cracked there. And now what you will do is height it up like so. And then you will bring it to the, see? And then you'll bring it to the side and open your egg fully. See? Now what you will do, throw away your eggshell. Do not make that eggshell go in the egg, because if it does, then you're gonna have trouble taking out. These white stuff on the egg yolk, you don't have to worry about, because it's like, you know, it's good. For people who want to take out the egg yolk, carefully bring it out like so. Do not take it out from the bowl, because if it falls, it's gonna mess up your whole kitchen. Okay, but if your egg yolk breaks, then you cannot take it out because it will still stay in there. Okay, now I will see how well can my assistant do it. She's going to be helping me in every video I do. Okay, you see what I did, Ayana? All right, go. Go. High up. Uh-oh, see? Eggshell is going to go in there. Oh no. Be careful that your hands don't mess up. You see? Her one broke. She did it too fast. Now go throw that away and go wash your hands. See, you cannot take out the egg yolk now. If you crack it too hard and you open it too hard, then the egg yolk will break in between your fingers and your hand will feel sticky. So she only did 2 things wrong. She did not get the eggshell in, but she put it up and she cracked it open instead of bringing it to the side where the crack is and opening it. That is the only thing she did wrong. Good job. Now let's see you do it again, but you remember. Come on. Now let's see you do it again, but remember, you will prick it up to the crack. When you're going to open it, you bring it to the side and open it, and then you pick up the egg. These eggs are strong eggs. Again. There you go. Like this, like this. Good. There, now see, she got a full yolk in. She followed what I said to her, and now she has a full yolk instead of the broken one. Now, did you see what she did? She made 2 mistakes. She didn't do that. She didn't go to the side to open the egg. So, for all people who are new to making eggs and don't know how to crack an egg, remember that. Do not make the eggshell go in, or else it'll be hard to come out. And make sure that you take the egg, open it up like so, side, and then break it down. Have a nice day.